Good morning, friends. In this video, we shall discuss part B of unit number 4, that is arches and lintels. Particularly in this video, we shall discuss regarding the arches and technical terms associated with the arches. The objectives are to learn about arches, to study different technical terms in arches. So what is an arch? An arch may be defined as a mechanical arrangement of wedge-shaped blocks of stones or bricks mutually supporting each other and supported at end by piers or abutments. So what is an arch? Arch is nothing but it is the mechanical arrangement of wedge-shaped blocks, maybe of stones or bricks. So these are the wedge-shaped blocks. These are called as wedge-shaped blocks. This may be of bricks, this may be of stone, depending upon the requirement of the arch, depending upon the architectural elevation. And these are mutually supporting each other and supported at the ends with the help of this type of supports, which are called as abutments or piers. The end support, if there are multiple arches, in that case the end support is called as abutment and interior support is called as piers. So this is the support, abutment and piers, these are the supports. So this is regarding arch. So what is an arch? Arch is nothing but it is a mechanical arrangement of wedge-shaped blocks, maybe of stones or bricks, supporting each other at the same time supported at the ends with the help of this type of support called as abutments and piers. Arch is a structure that spans a space and supports structure and weight above it. It supports the structure itself and weight above it. Functions part. The function of an arch is to carry weight of the structure above the opening. Because of their sharp shape, the blocks support each other by mutual pressure of their one weight. Hence, the structure remains in the position by the resistance from the support. What is the function? Main function of the arch is to support the weight of the structure above it, and because of their shape, the blocks support each other. The shape of the arch is such that the shape of the wedges is such that it support each other by mutual pressure of their one weight. Then the elements of the arch. These are the various elements which are listed out it: springing line, span, center line, impost, rise, extradus, then haunch, crown, keystone, radius, hawser, intradus. This is the abutment. So these are the various elements. All these elements we shall discuss in detail as a part of technical terms. So very first is intradus. So what is this intradus? This is an inner curve of the arch. So this inner curve of an arch, it is called as intradus. Extradus. It is the outer curve of an arch. The outer curve of an arch is called as extradus. Hawsers. The hawsers or arch stone are the wedge-shaped units forming the arch. So what is hawser? So these wedge-shaped units are technically termed as hawsers, technically known as hawsers. Crown. It is the highest part of the extradus. The highest part of the extradus is called as crown. So this is the crown, highest part. This is a crown, highest part of the extradus. This is the crown. Keystone. This is the highest central wedge-shaped block of an arch. So this is called as keystone. This is the keystone, the highest central wedge-shaped block. It is called as keystone. Next is haunch. It is the lower half of the arch. Lower half of the between the crown and skew back. Lower half of the arch. This lower half of the arch is called as haunch. Springing point. These are the points from which the curve of the arch spring. So it is called as springing point. So this point is called as springing point from which the curve springs or the arch springs. So it is called as springing point, and this is called as haunch. This portion, the facial curve given to this abutment to support, it is called as skew back. In the next terms we shall discuss it. Now next is spandrel. This is the curved triangular space formed between the extradus and the horizontal line through the crown. So this portion, this is called as spandrel, this crown. What is spandrel? The curved triangular space formed between the extradus, the curved triangular portion, the curved triangular portion formed between extradus and the crown of the arch. So this portion is called as spandrel. This is the spandrel. Right? It is a clear vertical distance between the highest point on the intradus and the springing line. So this is called as rise. It is the vertical distance between highest point on the intradus. So in case of this intradus, this is the highest point, and the point on the springing line is called as rise. Abutment, this is the end support of an arch. Already we have discussed, this is called as abutment, this is called as pier. Abutment, pier is the interior support. Springing line, it is an imaginary line joining the springing point of either end. It is an imaginary line joining springing point. Springing point means in the previous sketch it is very clear. So this point is called as springing point, from where the arch springs, right? So springing line, it is an imaginary line joining the springing points of either end. So this point and this point, so this is called as springing. Skew back, it is the inclined or split surface of the abutment which is so prepared to receive the arch and form from which the arch springs. Already we have discussed regarding this skew back. It is the inclined or split surface of the abutment which is so prepared to receive the arch. So it is the curved part of the abutment or pier. It is so prepared that from which the arch receives. So this is called as skew back. Span, this is the clear horizontal distance between the two supports. The clear horizontal distance between the two supports, it is called as span. So this is all about arch and various technical terms, elements associated with an arch. So hope you understood all the technical terms. Thank you.